I thought adding simple movement to my game would take about 10 minutes. Instead, it took over an hour, broke my script, and somehow used 97% of my RAM. So recently, I started making a new game in Unity because I have this project of eventually releasing a game on Steam. The thing is, I've never really built a full game before. I mean, technically, I made one thing. It was supposed to be a recreation of the Chrome Dino game. And yeah, it wasn't exactly impressive. So this time, I wanted to try something a bit more interesting. My idea was a game a bit like Raft. You're on a small raft in the middle of the ocean, but you have a hook. The hook lets you pull and swing the raft across the water, grab floating resources, and also use it to escape sharks. At least, that's the idea. So I created a new Unity project, and I thought I should start with something simple, just basic movement. You know, pressing WASD and the player moves. Simple. So I created a 2D object, added a script, and started coding the movement. However, Unity recently added a new input system, so I decided to try it. Well, not recently. Let's just say not that long ago. Anyway, I started trying to understand how it worked. I looked up how to set it up and started building my own input system. And immediately, bug. Unity was telling me I already had a script with the same parameter types, which made absolutely no sense. So I started deleting parts of the script, then the whole script, still broken. And after staring at it for way too long, I realized something. I had somehow duplicated that script. So Unity basically thought I had two identical scripts fighting each other. After fixing that, I tried again. Still couldn't get it working. So eventually I did what every programmer does. I opened YouTube. I started watching a tutorial, then another tutorial, because the first one didn't really do what I needed. But while I was doing all of this, something else started happening. Unity became incredibly slow, like unbelievably slow. At one point, it was using 97% of my RAM. Now, my laptop is amazing. But still, every single time I changed one line of code, I had to wait about 30 seconds, which means every small change, wait 30 seconds, test it, change another line, wait another 30 seconds. It was painful. But after dealing with bugs, tutorials, and Unity trying to destroy my computer, I finally got it working. The input system was set up, and the player finally moves. So what I thought would be a 10-minute task turned into over an hour of debugging tutorials and Unity trying to melt my computer. But at least now, the player moves, and even better, it also works with the arrow keys.